Are you tired of spending hours chopping, blending, and mincing ingredients for your meals? Do you dream of a kitchen appliance that can handle everything from baby food to hearty meat dishes with ease? Enter this Koios 500 watts electric food chopper, a versatile powerhouse designed to revolutionize your culinary experience. This 100% original, in-depth review dives into why this food processor is a must-have for home cooks, busy parents, and food enthusiasts alike. Packed with innovative features, a sleek design, and unmatched efficiency, the Koios 500 watts is here to save time and elevate your kitchen game. Let's explore why this electric food chopper is trending and why it deserves a spot on your countertop. Solving your kitchen woes. Meal prep can be a daunting task, especially when juggling multiple recipes or catering to dietary needs. Chopping vegetables, grinding meat, or pureeing baby food by hand is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The Koios 500 watts food processor tackles these challenges head-on, transforming tedious tasks into quick, effortless processes. Whether you're prepping a family dinner, crafting homemade salsa, or blending smooth nut butters, this electric food chopper delivers consistent results in seconds. Say goodbye to uneven cuts, aching wrists, and cluttered countertops. This compact, multifunctional appliance is your personal sous chef, ready to simplify your cooking routine. Unpacking the Koios 500 watts electric food chopper. The Koios 500 watts food processor is more than just a chopper. It's a versatile kitchen companion designed for efficiency and convenience. Equipped with a 500 watts pure copper motor and S-shaped bi-level blades, this small electric grinder handles a variety of tasks with precision. Its dual 8-cup bowls, one stainless steel, one glass, allow you to process multiple ingredients without cross-contamination, while its compact, stackable design saves valuable counter space. With 2 speed modes, dishwasher-safe parts, and robust safety features, this food processor is built to make your life easier while delivering professional-grade results. Key features that set it apart. Powerful 500 watts pure copper motor. The heart of the Koios food processor is its durable, high-performance motor, capable of chopping, blending, pureeing, and mincing in just 10 seconds. Unlike standard motors, this copper motor ensures longevity and consistent power, making it ideal for daily use. Dual 8-cup bowls, 2L capacity. The inclusion of 2 bowls, 1 stainless steel and 1 glass, means you can process different ingredients simultaneously without worrying about mixed flavors. Their stackable design maximizes storage efficiency, perfect for small kitchens. 2 speed modes for ultimate control. Choose between a consistent whir for soft foods or a pulse mode for tougher ingredients like meat or nuts. This flexibility ensures perfect results for every recipe, from smooth purees to chunky salsas. S-shaped bi-level blades. The innovative blade design ensures even chopping and blending, tackling everything from onions and garlic to tough cuts of meat with ease. Blade protectors enhance safety during setup and cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components. All parts, including the lid, blades, and bowls, are detachable and dishwasher-safe, below 140 degrees Fahrenheit per 60 degrees Celsius, making cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing stuck on food. Advanced safety features. A hidden safety switch ensures the motor only operates when properly assembled, while overheating protection automatically stops the unit if it gets too hot, ensuring safe and reliable performance. Noise-dampening rubber rings. These keep the bowls stable and reduce vibration noise, creating a quieter and more pleasant cooking experience. Benefits that make a difference. Time-saving efficiency. With tasks completed in as little as 10 seconds, the Koios 500 watts food processor slashes prep time, allowing you to focus on creating delicious meals rather than laboring over chopping boards. Whether you're whipping up a quick dip or prepping ingredients for a week's worth of meals, this chopper gets it done fast. Versatile performance for all skill levels. From novice cooks to seasoned chefs, this food processor adapts to your needs. It handles a wide range of tasks: chopping vegetables, grinding meat, blending baby food, or mixing dough, making it an essential tool for any kitchen. Space-saving and easy to clean. The compact, stackable design fits seamlessly into small kitchens, while the dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup. Spend less time washing dishes and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Who is the Koios 500 watts food processor perfect for? This electric food chopper is ideal for a wide range of users. Busy parents. Preparing healthy, homemade baby food or family meals is quick and easy, saving precious time for those with packed schedules. Health-conscious cooks. Create fresh salsas, pestos, and nut butters without preservatives, ensuring nutritious meals tailored to your dietary needs. Small kitchen owners. The compact, stackable design is perfect for apartments or kitchens with limited counter space. Meal prep enthusiasts. Batch process ingredients for weekly meal plans, from chopped veggies to minced meats, with minimal effort. Culinary explorers. Experiment with new recipes, from creamy hummus to chunky guacamole, without needing multiple appliances. Real-world performance. What users love. The Koios 500 watts food processor has earned praise for its sharp blades and powerful motor, which deliver smooth, consistent results. Users rave about its ability to create walnut butter or chop vegetables effortlessly, as noted in customer reviews. However, some mention that the blades don't reach low enough for small quantities, requiring a bit of pre-cutting or redistribution during processing. The textured lid can also obscure visibility, but these minor drawbacks are overshadowed by its speed, ease of cleaning, and compact design. For those seeking a reliable, multifunctional appliance, the Koios delivers exceptional value. Why it's a must-have. In a world where time is precious, the Koios 500 watts electric food chopper stands out as a kitchen essential. Its blend of power, versatility, and user-friendly design makes it a top choice for modern households. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling meal prep, or a foodie experimenting with new flavors, this food processor streamlines your workflow and elevates your cooking. Plus, its sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor, making it as stylish as it is functional. Tips for getting the most out of your Koios food processor. Avoid overheating. Stick to the recommended 30-second processing limit and allow a 20-second rest between cycles to prevent motor strain. Fill bowls strategically. For best results, fill the bowl to the level of the upper blade set, especially for smaller quantities, to ensure even chopping. Handle blades with care. The sharp bi-level blades require cautious handling during setup and cleaning to avoid injury. Clean immediately. Rinse detachable parts right after use to prevent food from sticking, or pop them in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Why choose Koios over competitors? Unlike bulkier food processors, the Koios 500 watts offers a compact footprint without sacrificing power. Its dual-bowl system sets it apart from single-bowl models, allowing you to prep multiple ingredients without cross-contamination. The pure copper motor outlasts standard motors, ensuring years of reliable performance. Compared to manual choppers or less powerful electric models, the Koios delivers faster results and greater versatility, making it a cost-effective investment for any home cook. Join the kitchen revolution today. The Koios 500 watts electric food chopper is more than an appliance. It's a game-changer that empowers you to create delicious, healthy meals with minimal effort. Don't let tedious prep work hold you back from enjoying your time in the kitchen. With its powerful motor, versatile features, and user-friendly design, this food processor is poised to become your go-to kitchen tool in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.